guys, I am next to my 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E EV because the other day I got a light saying, hey, you gotta change or your battery is an issue. So I went ahead and picked up this battery. It's a brand new one. Got me a new battery, 3 years, 36,000 miles at least. Motorcraft, this is the part number right there. It's a tiny little battery. EV batteries aren't that big for 12 volts, but you need it for the whole system. And what I'm doing is I'm just charging it real quick. It's doing a self-test. I want to charge it up just to do a quick top off, you want to call it. It's, I measured it about 12.4 volts, which I think should be a little higher. Maybe it's fine. I just want to make sure it's ready to go. So they told me it was ready to go, but yeah, I'm sure it is. The Tesla battery that I had was the same thing. It was low. Charge it up a little bit just to make it easier, because it's a pain in the butt to charge the battery or get to the poles to charge the batteries. So you can either open it by the key fob control or this right here. Well, you have to have a special key fob. There's 2 times of 2 X's. So now we get to pop the hood. You do it twice, so that way you don't have to mess with anything there. I got a bunch of crap in it, but I don't think I need to take out the frunk part. I just need to take out this guy and this guy. And it's been a minute. I think it was, which should I go first? It was this first because it's covering the edge. You can use a popper. If not, okay, here we can go. Oh, okay. It's been a while. The neighbor has this dang tree that keeps on bopping. Oh man, that was done good, huh? Those clips. There you go. All right. So I would rather just get this bar out the way. So I guess you can move the frunk if you really want more room. Okay. So this will come out for sure. That's the one I could take off the frunk. And then this, I think this is the battery you gotta pull off. See, it's got this slider. So you want to jam something in there, but this is to disconnect the high voltage battery. So you need to you could stick something in there so it won't pop back. So from this point, you can take the whole frunk out. And I was looking, there's a couple points here. You can go here. You have to go here and then take this whole frunk out, and then you gotta remove this strut tower thing. I'll just see if I could do it without it and see how tight of a fit it is. I already put my little, I don't know what this toy is, but I put it to stop the 12 volt. So let's just get this taken care of at least. This is 18 mil. Let me do this another side and I'll tilt it out. I had to take out this panel too. Okay, that should be enough. Oh, it's a 10 mil, right? Just A little bit more wiggle room. Yep, it's on the harness here, so you need to take off this tab. Oh, anyways. Let's take this out. Yep. Oh, she's out the way. Can you see them? Two 10 millimeters right there. I'm gonna get right there. There you can see. All right. That's 8. So these are 8s, not 10. And you got the bracket, dirty bracket that goes in there. I'm putting it in the frunk so I don't lose it. Now, keep my back from messing up. Oh, there we go. Just depends on your grip to get in there, so you can save a few steps by not doing the front. Let me check the voltage on this guy. My LCD there, it's kind of wacky. Anyways, that's fine. I got it backwards. Let's go this way. 12.5. It's actually not that low. So maybe, I don't know, 12.5. Maybe it's seeing that the cell is getting bad. But it's 3 years old, over 3 years old. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. I use my reward points to get this guy. So it is what it is. Let me put this by the other battery. It doesn't look exactly the same, but it's the same size. So that's the new one. This is the old one. Same part number, B8. Oh, actually slightly different, huh? But anyways, yeah, this is probably because it's OEM. BHAGM. BAGM. Okay, fine. Anyways, dimensionally they're the same size. You can see here, but this one's got flat. That one's, don't know why it's vented. But there it is. All right. So go ahead and replace this, put everything back, and we should be good to go.